Today, we are going to review combination and permutation. Formulas for permutation, we have simple permutation. So that is P is equal to N factorial. We have also permutation of N taken R. That is permutation of NR is equal to N factorial divided by the quantity of N minus R factorial. Then we have also distinguishable permutation, and that is P N R sub 1, R sub 2, R sub M is equal to N factorial divided by R sub 1 factorial times R sub 2 factorial times R sub M factorial. Another, we have circular permutation, and that is permutation is equal to the quantity of N minus 1 factorial. We have also circular permutation of N taken R, and that is PNR divided by R. The formula for combination is CNR is equal to N factorial divided by the quantity of N minus R factorial times R factorial. In a class, there are 12 students. In how many ways can 3 students be included in the top 3 position? Permutation of N objects taken R at a time. So the given are N is equal to 12 and R is equal to 3. For your solution, so we are going to use permutation of N objects taken R at a time. So N factorial divided by the quantity of N minus R factorial. Now replace N with 12 and replace R with 3. Then, we are going to copy 12 factorial over 12 minus 3, and that is 9 factorial. Expand 12 factorial up to 9 factorial so that we can divide 9 factorial. So 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial is equal to 1. So the remaining numbers are 12, 11, and 10. Then the answer is 1,320. How many ways can the letters in the word parallel be arranged? The problem states distinguishable permutation. Let's get the given. The given word is parallel, and parallel has 8 letters. There are 2 letter A's, and that will be our R sub 1. And there are 3 letter L, and that will be our R sub 2. The formula for distinguishable permutation is N factorial divided by R sub 1 factorial times R sub 2 factorial times R sub M factorial. Now replace N with 8, R sub 1 with 2, and R sub 2 with 3. Expand 8 factorial up to 3 factorial because the highest denominator we have is 3 factorial. Then, we can now divide 3 factorial by 3 factorial. And 8 divided by 2 will have 4. Then, copy all the numbers remaining. We have 4, 7, 6, 5, and 4. And then multiply, we have 3,360. There are 8 scouts in a campsite. How many ways can the scout sit around a campfire? By looking at the given problem, we have circular permutation. Now, the given n is equal to 8. The formula for circular permutation is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. Replace n with 8, and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 factorial. Then 7 factorial is equal to 5,040. From among 8 students, 4 students will be chosen for a group dance presentation. How many possible groups are there? Take note of the word chosen or choose. So that is combination. Now let us get the given. N is equal to 8 and R is equal to 4. The formula for combination is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Replace n with 8 and r with 4. Then, 8 minus 4, we have 4. Expand 8 factorial up to 4 factorial. And then, since we have 4 factorials, so you are going to expand 4 factorial. So, 4 factorial, that is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then, we can now divide 4 factorial by 4 factorial. And we can also divide 8 and 4. So, that is 2. Then, we have 6 and 3. That is also 2. Then, copy all the remaining numbers. So, the remaining numbers for our numerator, we have 2, 7, 2, and 5. For our denominator, we have 2. Then, multiply 2 times 7 times 2 times 5. We have 140 divided by 2 is equal to 70.